Let creativity fly with the Drone Education Kit. The Drone Education Kit contains everything your class needs to learn to program and code for Tello's next mission. Let's take a look at what's inside. Rise Tello drone. These drones are lightweight and easy to operate. They come with collision detection and propeller protection so you can always fly with confidence. Mission pads. Your mission pads are used with your drones for programming. Your drone uses its camera to detect the mission pad ID and executes commands. Accessories. Charging cables and spare propellers. Rapid charger to make sure all your drones are charged and ready to fly. Pelican case to keep everything safe and secure. Your students will explore new heights as they capture amazing imagery, program flight paths, and use virtual reality to control their drones in the first person. There are lots of real-world applications for the skills used when programming drones. In addition to defense, delivery, and aerial photography, drones will soon be used for verifying business claims, boosting crop yields, and creating special effects in movies. Students will also develop their skills in coding, which is quickly becoming a vital skill. When students learn to code, they take complex problems and break them down into smaller parts. They learn how to approach problems in a way that a software engineer does with logical, computational thinking, a skill that will be important for their future. The opportunities are endless when blending the way these skills are learnt into real-world problem solving. Perhaps students have to code a drone to fly a specific route, imagining they're flying over bushfires and extinguishing them. Perhaps they have a set amount of time to distribute care packages to communities in need and need to program the most efficient route possible. The opportunities for learning are limitless. To get started with your drone education kit, visit our website tfesolutions.com.au, email us at hello@tfesolutions.com.au or call us 1300 TFESOL.